Today we are making 100 whole cake. It's a recipe I got from my sister. It's delicious, it's not too sweet, and it doesn't have a lot of icing. So let's get to cooking. You're going to need 1 kilo cake mix, and 1 instant vanilla pudding mix, and 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of oil, and 3/4 cup of orange juice. And we're going to put this down. We're going to mix it. I preheated my oven to 325, and we're going to cook it for 45 minutes. While the cake is cooking, we're going to make a topping to pour over the cake when it comes out. But we'll get to that in just a minute. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. We're going to put this cake in a 9 by 13 pan, and I've sprayed it with some cooking spray. That should be enough. Make sure it's all mixed up. It smells so good. You can smell that orange juice. We're going to come over here and put it in our pan. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to level it out, make sure it goes to all the sides. We'll put her in the oven. For 45 minutes. And we'll get the pan out and I'll show you the boiled icing that we're going to put on it. Hey folks, and we're back to make the topping for the cake. We're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put it on the eye. Then we're going to stir it until it becomes bubbly, and then we're going to shut it off. By that time, we'll wait on our cake, and then I'm going to take a fork, and I'm going to punch 100 holes in that cake. No, not really. I'm going to punch a lot of holes in the top of the cake, and then I'm going to pour my topping over it when it's hot. Then you're going to let it cool, and I take powdered sugar and dust over the top to make it look pretty after it cools. So we're just gonna wait till that stuff starts to boil, then we'll stir it. Okay, it's boiling. We're going to shut it off because it's boiling, and we'll wait for our cake to get ready. We're fixing to poke holes in this cake. I've got my topping. It's been boiling and it's good and hot. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Then we're going to pour this all in the corners, middle, just all over. Every little drop. Then we're going to let it cool completely, and then I'm going to dust it with confectionery sugar. Just give it a light dusting. So there it is, 100 hole cake. Doesn't that look good and delicious? So moist. So I hope you try this cake. It's going to be worth it. God bless. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.